on quite a few of those stocks. Well, we're almost at the end of the market, so let's wind it down. Then the market started off closer towards that 11,240 odd mark. We saw a big recovery from the low point of the day. The Nifty Bank, by the time we wound up, did manage to pull back into the green, and yet another day where we saw the mid caps outperform the frontline indices because they as well ended in the green. In terms of the Nifty stocks, well, what was on the losing end today? You had stocks like Sun Pharma, Cipla, both those two defensives. They have done quite well in this year itself, but in today's trading session, both of them did come in for some selling. Remember, those stocks are up between 20 to around 50% in 2020 so far. And you had a couple of other names, the likes of Kotak Mahindra Bank. The Nifty Bank was more or less flattish, but Kotak Mahindra Bank was a relative underperformer today. And Britannia as well, trading at peak valuations. But today, in fact, the stock did come in for some selling. What did well then? A couple of these tech names, HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra, both those two have been strong. They have valuations on their side as well, trading at around 14 to around 15 times odd, and both those two have spiked up. In fact, they ended with strong gains in today's trading session. We had SBI as well that did do well. That was up close to around 4.5%. And Tata Motors and Hero MotoCorp from the auto pack, both of them did end well in the green. Well, in terms of other stocks in the broader markets, there were many gainers. Well, the mid-cap index ended in the green. You had Interglobe Aviation, that was up close to around 10%. Fundraising plans out there. Motherson Sumi, a day after the numbers, that stock as well ended high with a gain of around 8% odd. Markets are looking forward to Q2 now. Bosch and PVR, both of them big gains out there. There were a few losers though from the broader markets. Info Edge came in for some profit booking. Concord, post its numbers, the stock has lost nearly around 18 to 19% of its market capitalization. Well, those are the markets for us, and we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. But up next, learn the basics of investing with our expert, Saurabh Mukherjee, founder of Marcellus Investment Managers, as he answers your queries on our special series, CNBC TV 18 Investment Guide.